Okay, I'm hitting the bottom. I'm hitting the bottom, everybody. Shit. I'm cut again. Fuck's sake.
Do you need help? I'll take this. One! Wait, give me it! If you need help to move, I got this stick. If you need help to move, I got this stick.
No. Bye, Daddy.
I don't think I'll be going out to the island anyway.
Mommy, I want to take my shoes off. No. I want to take my shoes off. I want to take my shoes off. Okay, Mommy said okay. And take off your socks and both of your pants. Oh, God, it hurts. This is the rocks. Holy cow.
I've forgotten how to roll.
It's cold.
Well, I meet you over there by Mike's.
Oh.
For what?
Well, the car is here.
Over there.
This feels so... Gosh. Ow, ow. Oh. Sorry. Oh.
Hey guys, it's me and Mia. We're going camping again. Right?
And this.
And that's her pillow, look. That's Daddy's pillow. Oh, and this is a better sleeping setup, I think. It's an inflatable bed.
You're too fit.
And she said I'm too fat.
I'm not. I'm not fit.
I'm too fit. What does that mean? I thought she said I'm too fat.
Wait. We need to eat cake.
Yeah, this is the same tent as before in the last video. You've probably seen the video I took out my boat for the first time. I bought that maybe a year ago, and I never.
On my head.
Yes, Mia, stop.
It's alright. My pillow. What?
So I took out the boat anyway. It was great crack.
And I just.
The first time I ever used it, I went from.
pants just made a hole.
Yeah, that's right. I rode from the boat house over to where my other farm is.
They're going to
It was good crack, no.
my hand. I'm gonna get clips. I'm gonna get clips. And cables.
She never stops talking. She's like her dad. Yeah.
I need a
It's so
teddy
nice to be
bear.
in the tent.
I need
It's
a
actually nice and
teddy
warm.
bear. I need a teddy bear.
Yes,
I need a teddy
it's a way better this tent than the other one.
I can this.
And it's actually stopped blowing. It was very windy earlier. Trying to put up the tent. I didn't record it because my phone was going dead on the battery. So yeah. Right. She wants to watch something, so we're gonna put something on, and I'll be back later. See you soon, guys. Hi guys. Oh, what time is it? 10:30. I've just been watching this YouTube stuff. But good you can't even see me. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Mimi's got to sleep. No, she loves camping. I'm just chilling out here. You know what? I actually like the setup. The pillow is nice and comfy. The mattress so far feels nice. The only thing I'm worried about is the blanket. Is it going to be enough to keep me warm? Now I do have a sleeping bag underneath me, so if I do need to, I can always do what Mia's doing. I like movement though, you see. So what I might do is just throw it over myself as extra heat. But other than that, it's not bad. Like, I mean, temperature is about maybe 12 or 13, so it's not too bad. I haven't even checked actually, but yeah, it's good. Also good. I had to go out camping. I mean, the weather's just been too great, so I love this tent. It's so easy to pull up, and I just like the way everything is. I mean, the guide rods, they're actually really good quality, whatever it is. They feel very strong. I'd say they withstand really bad weather, and the pegs are quite heavy duty as well. And the thing about this tent, it actually stays cool with the breeze that can, there's plenty of ventilation in it, but not too much ventilation. It might make it too cold, if you know what I mean. So it's way better than the TP. And if it does get chilly at night, I've got the heater, my little stove. Well, not stove, it's a gas heater. It's kind of like a buddy heater, They're probably the best you can get on the market, actually, those buddy heaters, but it's a kind of a cheaper version of it. I think I got it off Amazon that time. So, yeah. It's nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out now and watch the rest of the YouTube stuff until I get kind of tired and I'm gonna go to sleep. But so far I don't feel tired yet. It's only, like I say, it's only 10:30. It's nice. You can hear the waterfall in the background. It's lovely. It's like, how did he get inside here? Look. Right. Where's he gone? I think I killed him. Maybe not. I'm down there somewhere. Oh well. Yeah, as I said, I'm gonna chill out for another while. And catch you later. I'll probably make another video before I go to sleep. Okay, I'm starting to fall asleep. Must be about 11 o'clock now. Yeah, 11:05. Just finished doing one of my videos, editing. No, not this one, but the other one, the construction one. I'm just gonna go for a quick piddle and then head to bed. Because I'm tired now. So far, I feel comfortable in this bed. No one do I fall asleep, so I'm afraid I'm gonna get chilly. I don't feel chilly now. I have this blanket on, but just in case it's not enough, I might throw the sleeping bag on as well. I hate sleeping bags because it restricts movements. I like to move around when I'm asleep. So maybe I might just throw it over me, use it as another blanket. So we'll see how we get on. Yeah. Hopefully you won't hear from me. Nice. Catch you later, guys. Everyone was doing great there. Someone's just after waking us up. Well, Belle's been barking. I'm feeling it's a fucking badger. There's a problem with some badgers now going over to the fucking potato patch and damaging the crop. So I'm probably gonna have to get up. And I'm not feeling great. Mine is number 2 and really bad. So I'm gonna have to freaking call this one. Best thing about it all is I'm not that far away from the thing. So the problem is I'm gonna wake poor me up. Damn it. Yeah, my stomach's acting up. No, what the fuck is this? I keep farting. Really bad smell. I got to eat. The biscuit. Oh well, look, sometimes these things happen. I'm gonna go get my socks and try and pull me up. I don't like waking her up. Poor thing, she's fast asleep. Damn it. I'm gonna leave her here, like, you know. Oh, she has to come with me. Alright, guys, talk to you in a minute. Oh, guys, I had no sleep whatsoever. Well, I had to sleep there when I came home, but it took me ages to fall asleep. I maybe got like 2 or 3 hours sleep. That's fine with me. I'm used to it. No, when there was a wild animal like a badger, I know a badger probably wouldn't harm a human, but don't want to take any risks. I was like, fuck it, I'll take myself and me back, you know, just in case. There you go, Riley. Out. She kept trying to escape. Oh man, I'm so tired. Let's have a look, see, tent's still up. And I can't complain about the setup, the sleeping setup. It was perfect. It was very warm inside there, very comfortable. I don't know why I can't sleep. I remember one time I could sleep in the tent, no problem. But no, I don't know, I don't know what's wrong with me. Let's have a look, see, was there any damage from the bed? Sorry. Oh. What? Right. That's more like it. No, not really. Those holes are already there because the chickens, they've decided to sleep there now every day. They'll sleep there, you know, they'll have their mud bats. But other than that, everything was fine. And Belle did a great job being a guard dog. Good girl. She's a sheepdog. She's a guard dog as well. A very brave one. You can hear the birds, you know, like growling at her or making that noise that they make. Yes, I'm coming. Dear God, help me. Right, I better do something, guys, because they're all getting like, anxious. So, tent talk here. Don't worry, I've just opened that up now. Just come in here now to get Mia's shoes and stuff. What a lot last night was I had to go to the toilet all the time. It was my own fault. I drank too much stuff, you know, 2 bottles of calf beer, and I think that made me want to go to a pee all the time. I shouldn't have done that probably. But like, I mean, it was so warm inside the tent and cozy, and you know, I don't know why I couldn't sleep now. Poor me is not feeling well either, so like, I don't think it was because it was cold in the tent. It was actually quite warm in the tent. I put the stove on for a while to keep us, you know, keep it warm, like, you know. But there was no need. It was nice and toasty inside here. Way better than the teepee. Even now, as I'm sitting here now, the sun's been shining for a couple of seconds, but it's so warm, you know. Right. I'm just gonna grab a few things. So, yeah. Don't know why I couldn't sleep last night. There was no excuse. Like, I would have probably stayed if Badger wasn't around. I'm sure it was a badger because Belle was going crazy. But I think she must have frightened him or her away from the path, because there's no damage on the path, or not the path, the plants. See, I'm talking gibberish. I could try camping again tonight. I'll see. And you just need some earbuds. Right, 1 second. I'll give Mia her shoes. Oh God. Put that there. Actually, I might put that in the car. Right. Let's get the short jacket. Do you want your jacket? I'll leave it there for you, okay? Oh, you want seawolves? Seawolves? Okay. What do you want? Your shoes? Okay. I'll get your shoes. Oh God. The Queen is very angry today. Oh dear Lord. I have no shoes here, sweetie. Oh my.
I don't have it on.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh no. Do you want some Becky?
Mm.
Do you want to get Becky in town? You want to get some sausages and things?
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll get seawolves for you. 1 second, guys.